High corn yields start with the right nutrition. Corn has massive potential, but it is also a demanding crop. Today we are sharing an effective corn nutrition plan designed to help you boost yields and support healthy growth at every stage. This isn't just a list of recommendations, it is a clear, structured plan that meets corn's needs during its most critical growth phases. The formulas are designed for both foliar feeding and fertigation, making them ideal for irrigated systems. Seed treatment period. We start with Wonder Leaf Micron. This provides essential micronutrients for better germination and root development right from the start. 4+ leaf stage. This is a critical period for developing vegetative mass. We recommend Wonder Leaf Monophosphorus 30 or blue to promote strong root growth. Wonder Leaf Amino 43 to boost energy for growth and photosynthesis. For farms with drip irrigation, these products can also be applied effectively through fertigation. Stem elongation phase. This is when your future yields is determined. It's crucial to give your plants maximum support. We recommend Wonder Leaf Yellow, Wonder Leaf Mono Zinc 8 and of course Wonder Leaf Mono Amino 43 for stress protection. This can also be precisely applied through fertigation systems for maximum efficiency. Our nutrition plan is flexible and can be adapted to your specific conditions. Important note, to determine the precise fertilizer rates, we strongly recommend a soil analysis that considers your crop region and target yield. This ensures you are feeding your crop exactly what it needs, without waste, unlocking its full potential. For personalized advice, we recommend speaking with our regional manager. To get a customized plan for your field, contact our agronomists. We will help you adapt the nutrition plan to your soil type, water supply, irrigation system, and yield goals.